All right. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to yet an episode of my trading journey. So, one topic I'd like to get into today is missed opportunities in the stock market. Now, I've had people ask me, is it too late to invest in the stock market? And unequivocally, I tell them it's never too late. Or they may ask me, when's the best time to enter the stock market? And on that one, I'll respond with a long time ago, but the next best time is right now. Now, I'll also say that the younger you get started, the better chance you have of building your portfolio up to where you can live off the dividends. You'd also be able to learn different stock market techniques early on. And not only that, you'll have enough time to recover from a recession or a stock market correction. This is a major reason why time in the market would always beat timing the market. That said, I like to take a look back at maybe about 20 years into some of the missed opportunities in the stock market that I missed. So let's check it. And so for these examples, I was using the platform Thinkorswim. And first up is Meta, formerly known as Facebook. Now, currently, it's going for $610. And I'm on a 20-year weekly chart. And we'll see how much it was going for back then. Now, 2013 was the lowest it has been in 20 years. So, and as you see, it was going for $17.55. Yeah, that was one missed opportunity. Here's another missed opportunity for me. This one is Apple. The ticker is AAPL. Currently, it's going for $222. Yeah, $222. Now, the lowest it has been in 20 years was just a little bit before 2006. Back then, it was $1.18. And here's yet another missed opportunity. This one's NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. Currently, it's going for $112. And we'll see how much it was back in the days. Look at that. $1.43. Under $2. NVIDIA back then was pretty much a penny stock. This was around 2009. Here's yet another missed opportunity. Google. The ticker is GOOGL, or it's also known as Alphabet. Now currently, it's going for just a little under $166. It's at $165 and change. But as you see here, just a little before 2006, it was under $4. Here's yet another missed opportunity. Microsoft, the ticker is MSFT. Currently, it's going for $390. And we'll go back a little bit and see how much it was going for back in the days. Look at that, $14.87. Now, I would have loved to have jumped on any one of these, or as cheap as they were, all of them. Oh, by the way, if you found value in the content, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you're interested in starting your investing and trading journey, in the description there are 3 links, one for Webull, one for Robinhood, and one for Moomoo. Any one of those you can get free stocks from. Let's get that free money. Let's go. Back to the video. Now let's check out one more. This one's Amazon. The ticker is AMZN. Currently going for $201. Back in the days, price was $1.28. Now chances are we probably won't ever see these prices again. And I think if you do, there's something really wrong in the market. Now, I do understand that currently there's tariff wars going on, but I think, and it's only my opinion, that it's still time to bargain hunt. Now, I'm not saying load up the truck or anything like that, but this is a good opportunity to nibble at some of the stocks that you've been watching. Now, I'll take a quick look at the Fear and Greed Index on CNN, and maybe that'll help you understand where I'm coming from. Now, I'm on CNN's Fear and Greed Index, and by the way, this is a free app. Now, moving along, as you can see, the market sentiment is fearful. It's at 29. Now, it was lower than that just not too long ago. At one point, it was at extreme fear. Matter of fact, you can see over here, just last week, it was at 24. Now, I don't know how much longer the market's going to be fearful. Now, possibly, this could end April the 2nd. Now, there was a bill that was just signed today, about 47, and it's to the effect that any automobile bought in this country that was made in America will be entitled to some write-offs. That said, this Fear and Greed Index could possibly move up here, or I doubt if people start getting greedy anytime soon. But just giving a heads up as to what can potentially happen soon enough. Now, I'm no financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. Everything I just showed is merely my opinion. However, you should do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market or anything for that matter. Oh, and on one more note, if you don't want to use the Fear and Greed Index on CNN, I don't see why you wouldn't want to, because it's free. You can also use this. This is the VIX, or VIX. Now, this, once it reaches, I'd say over 20, then the market is fearful, or it's beginning to become fearful. Me personally, I just believe that the Fear and Greed Index is a lot easier. So, what did you think? Was the info helpful? If you found value in the content, please like, share, subscribe. Feel free to let me know what you thought in the comment section. Lastly, I'd like to take a second to thank all of you who watched the video. Thank you for sharing your time with me. And if you want to see more content, click up there. Till next video, I hope you all have a good day, and peace.